The first solution to talk about is low leverage. To avoid the problem of too much risk, a proven solution is using low leverage. You keep the leverage low because it gives you time to think, to react more effectively, and you are not as sensitive to changes in the market. The second solution being scaling in and scaling out. Scaling in, scaling out is one of my favorites. I use it with investing and also with my trading. Scaling in, scaling out, the theory behind it is that you allow the market to tell you which way to go. It's that simple. An example, well, I plan to buy 250 of GCMS altcoins after having done my technical and fundamental analysis. How to begin? I would start with a 25 or 50 coins position and allow the market to confirm if I am on the right path. If I bought GCMS coins at $100 and they suddenly jump to 125 per coin, then great. The market is confirming that I made the correct decision. In this example, if I began with 25 coins, I would then add another 25 or 50 and repeat the process until I reach my goal of 250 coins. There are some who would say that I missed out a little on the move from 100 to 125, and I did somewhat, but I am also more secure in my decision by being patient. On the reverse, getting back to scaling out, let's imagine that the market has moved against me. Instead of having 250 coins at risk initially, it would have only been 25. Obviously, there is a trade-off, but from my experience, it is to the advantage of those who are scaling in and scaling out. Another example, let's say you bought 100 coins at $100 each, and the price suddenly drops to 90. What I would suggest, instead of selling everything immediately, that you consider selling only 25 or 30, because the drop could be due to an overreaction in the market. There are several things that could be at play, for example, a false rumor. Again, you are allowing the market to guide you along the correct path. Of course, if the price continues to fall, then you decide later on a final exit if it goes beyond your mental stop loss.